Welcome back to None of Your Beeswax Apiary. Today we're finishing up putting in the first round of Apiguard mite treatments to our hives, but also wanted to discuss something else we've been doing, and that's seeing if we can get some wax drawn here during the dearth. We've got 4 different hives that we put deep frames in instead of the supers, and they're just foundation, wax foundation, and then we've been feeding them less than 1-to-1 sugar syrup, trying to draw out some frames here during the dearth and use those to put into our overwintered nukes then. So we've got this hive here was our swarm that we caught in March, and just to give you a perspective of what this hive has done, it was started out as 5 frames. It drew out these 2 bottom deeps and also drew out a 3rd deep for us, and they were still in the middle of a flow, so I put a honey super on. They made a super of honey, and now this is our 4th deep box that we put on here. So we'll get in here and we'll see if they were able to draw out a 4th deep box for us along with collect the super honey this year, and we'll see how that progresses. Okay, so what I've done is I've separated this top deep box, which is the one we were trying to draw our frames out in, from the rest of the hive, set it aside. I'm going to pull these frames out one by one, take a look at them. I'm looking for the queen first of all. If I find the queen, I'll set her aside, and then if I don't see the queen, I'm going to take the frame, shake the bees back into the hive over there, and then either use these frames as they're drawn out in our overwintered nukes to give them a little bit of a boost and head start, or if they're not drawn out, we'll just put them back in the stack and we'll get them drawn next year. So let's take a look here. This is the very end frame. This is the one you would expect the least amount of activity on. And you can see there's not much drawn on that side, but we do have a decent start on that side, so that's pretty good. We're going to go ahead and shake that into the box. And then we'll just set that frame aside. Keep going down through here for the next ones. A little bit more on that next one in. Good little start there. That side not so much. Like I said, this box has been on there about 3 weeks. I could leave it on there longer and keep feeding them, but like what I'm doing is putting the Apiguard on, so I kind of want to reduce this stack down to what they're going to need to overwinter with, so we don't have all that extra volume we're not planning on keeping. And we'll put these into still a little bit good start. If any of our overwintered nukes have completely undrawn frames, we'll use those in place of them. We'll give them a little bit of a start. This next one looks a little bit better. Looking pretty good right there. On this side you can see they've completely drawn that out. Actually backfilling that with some nectar. Since we've been feeding them less than 1-to-1 sugar syrup, that's actually sugar syrup in there, so that's fine. That'll give them some feed. Don't see the queen on that side, so we're going to go ahead and shake the bees off, and we'll use this frame in one of our overwintered nukes. The reason this one's drawn so much, I'll show you when I get to the next frame here. So in order to draw them up into the box, I've talked about this before, what I do is I take a frame with eggs, open larvae, and things like that on it to get the nurse bees up here. And that helps draw the bees up here to draw out these frames, and that's exactly what this frame is right here. I got it marked with a dot so I knew which one was which. And let me take a look for the queen real fast. I don't see her, but you can see there's open brood on there, so she has been up here laying at some point in time recently. I'm just going to give it a little double check here. I'm going to shake it back into the original hive, so if she is on here and I miss her, she's going to go back in the hive. But I'm going to take this frame, you can see the brood on there. Give it a good shot at that. I'm going to take this frame and boost one of the weaker nukes with it because it's got a good amount of brood on it. So we'll shake that. Now the frame next to it should be drawn out pretty good like the previous one on the opposite side. You can see right there it is. Good and drawn out on that side. And drawn out decently on that side too. So that'll help. And then we expect to see it decreasing as we go further away from that center frame right there. It should decrease again with the amount that they're drawn out just because of the way the bees work from the center towards the outside. So that's expected. Still a nice frame to start with. If we have a blank frame in these nukes, we'll replace it with that. Same there. And then the last two, I don't expect to see too much on them. Whoops. Pried that off a little bit too much, knocked the frame down in. It started on both sides. Same there. That's not too bad for an end frame there. That one they've been kind of working. Seems like they're cheating towards that side of the box a little bit more. And then we'll go ahead and take all these bees and put them back in the hive. Okay, and there you have it. So as you see, those boxes, last box has only been on there for 3 weeks. They did a decent job of drawing out some of those frames. If I had the time and kept feeding them the less than 1-to-1 sugar syrup, I'm sure they could have drawn out the rest of that box for us. But it's time to put our mite treatments on and get these frames into our overwintered nukes. So it was a good head start. It does help. You can get some frames drawn out in the fall. Just know which hives are your biggest and best hives. This one I knew was really adamant about drawing a lot of wax because, like I said, they drew through 3 deeps and then filled a super on us. So that was a good hive to put that on. We're going to go through the rest of the hives. I expect we'll have 1 or 2 frames that we can use, and then we'll have some more that are started like that. And even though we don't use them this year, we can use them as a head start for next year. So you can do it, and if you've got the hives and the time to go in there and put some in, get some frames drawn out for next year and get a head start. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, leave any comments below, and stay tuned for the next video.